I trust everyone is doing pretty cool. Yes, you know where you are? This is Peculiar Hair and Styles, where you see the latest in hairstyles trend around the world. Yes, sometimes you will get to see tutorial on how to achieve some of these styles. Hairstyles like twisting to cornrows, natural hairstyles, braiding for adults, kids and more. So if you enjoy what we do here, you can support us by making sure you like and comment on our video each time you finish watching. Share this video out to your family and friends, okay? And make sure you put the bell notification to all so you don't get to miss anytime we upload a new video. You will be the first to watch. Yes. So guys, stay tuned. I will be sitting right here and watch this video from beginning to the end with you guys. Yes. So friends, today's video is all about 2022 hairstyles ideas, African hairstyles. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to like this video before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Here comes the end of today's video. I'm going to see you all on my next one. Till then, continue taking care of yourself. Keep loving yourself. I love you too. Bye. Bye guys.